Sawyer has the hiccups. It's pretty cute. Sawyer. You okay, buddy? He's 13 days old right now. He's just so adorable. I love it when he's awake. He did this when I was pregnant all the time. But it's so cute in person.